This video on mechanism of respiration. In this topic, we are going to learn how the food is going to be break down to produce unwanted gases like CO2 and also release the energy. Mechanism of respiration takes place at a cellular level. It takes place at a cellular level so that it is called as a cellular respiration, and it is also called as by it is also a biochemical process. When a person inhales the oxygen, it enters through nostril, from the nostrils to nasal passage, from the nasal passage to pharynx, pharynx to larynx, larynx to trachea. This trachea is made up of a cartilaginous tissue which helps in prevention of breakage of the trachea in the absence of oxygen or air. From the trachea, the oxygen enters into bronchi, from the bronchi to bronchioles. These bronchioles are again divided into or ends with finer branches and ends with sac-like structures called alveoli. So these are the alveoli. This alveoli is surrounded with the blood capillaries. So these are the blood capillaries. So inside the blood capillaries, the blood is flowing. Here you observe that these are the red blood cells. So when that oxygen which entered here, the oxygen already entered into the alveoli. From the alveoli to it diffusing into the red blood cells. This blood is in red in color due to the presence of a pigment called hemoglobin pigment. This hemoglobin pigment is made up it is made up of two molecules, that is iron as well as globin is a protein. When this oxygen, after diffusing into the blood, when oxygen will combines with hemoglobin and forms a complex called oxyhemoglobin complex, it forms. This complex breaks near the tissue where the oxygen diffuses into the cell of tissue, as oxygen content is more in the blood compared to the cell. After the breaking of hemoglobin from the hemoglobin, the oxygen enters into the tissue. So then afterwards, the food breakdown takes place. So oxidation of food takes place. Then the carbon dioxide is produced. This is the carbon dioxide is produced after the breakdown of food. Now this carbon dioxide diffuses into the blood capillaries. Here is the carbon dioxide. It is diffused into the blood capillaries, and before after diffusing, it combines with hemoglobin. It combines with hemoglobin and forms one more complex, that is called Hemocorbin. And further, this complex breaks near the alveoli due to the higher content of carbon dioxide in the blood capillaries. So that the carbon dioxide, after diffused into the alveoli, it then passes to the finer branchless like structures called bronchioles, from the bronchioles to bronchi, bronchi to trachea, from the trachea to larynx, and the larynx to pharynx, from the pharynx to nasal passage, from the nasal passage to nostrils, and expel out the CO2 gas. This is how the respiration takes place in human beings. This is the mechanism of respiration.